Hi there, guys. I'm gonna start doing videos on when I do upgrades to my car. It's just a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta, the 1.8T. I haven't really done much to it besides the valve cover and the upper brace bar. Little something I just did, kind of cheap, quick, was a boost gauge. As you can see, I put the T right, I split the upper vacuum hose on the diverter valve in half, and I put the T right in there. Just clamped it down. I gotta find a way to clamp that down right there, but it'll do for now. Just kind of a cheap way, kind of fast. I just did it because I wanted to. I don't have any of the electrical hooked up. It just comes over here. I got it zip tied until I get a better boost gauge. And it just runs right under there. As you can see, I don't have the electrical hooked up yet. And we'll see how it does. Alright, as you can see, boost gauge works fine. Reading correct vacuum. And I'll get going on the road here, and I'll see what kind of boost I'm running. Alright, as you can see here, I'm trying to adjust this. We're on the road. I don't see any cars coming. That should be good. Alright. Half throttle. Full throttle, third gear. About a good 9 pounds. There we go again. Do another pass. Bump here. I'd say it works pretty good. Next in line, a 2. That would be nice. Take it easy, guys. If you guys like this, like the video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll keep doing these. Only if you like them, though. Let me know in the comment section below.